Assalamu alaikum. A very good morning to my dear students. So, how are you, students? I hope you all are fine. Okay, in our last class we have discussed about that the E solution. That is, we get that the V value. That what is the V value? What is V here? Here's the distance of the image, and we get that the minus 37.5. And I gave you to do this homework to submit these values in magnification form equation. But most of the students are unable to do that. So let me make you easy. So here is our magnification equation. Here is our distance image distance. Magnification equation, what is this? M is equals to hi by ho is equals to minus v by u. So these values, the values which is given in questions, right? Here is our question. Okay, the values which is given in question, we have to submit these values over this equation, and the value we get that, and we have to submit these values also. So hi is, where is it? So we have to find out here hi. What is ho? Ho is over here, that is plus 41. Instead of writing plus, we have to write only 4 centimeters. Okay? So in place of ho, 4, and z is equals to minus v. In place of minus v, we get the values, that is the minus 37.5, and these values should be substitute over here. So minus v, this minus and minus 37.5 we will write in bracket. Okay, and what is u? U is over here, minus 25 centimeters. So in place of u, we have to write minus 25. Okay, after substituting, we have get this equation. After this, what we have to do? We have to send this 4 to over right hand side. Okay, left hand side का 4 right hand side को send करना. hi is equals to minus ये क्या होता? Minus will get cancelled, right? These two minus will get cancelled, and what this 4 will go on this side. So minus 37.5 into 4 by 25 is equals to 37.5 into 4 करें तो क्या होता? 150 आता. So minus 150 by 25. We have to divide this. How? Over here. So 25 into 150 divided by 150. So 25 into 6, 150 we will get, and we get 0. So here minus 6 centimeters we will get. So hi value is minus 6. So the image is inverted and enlarged. Inverted means उल्टा. तो हमको image क्या है? उल्टा आया, और enlarged means बड़ा है. हम लोग को बोलना है ना image का distance कितना है, और image erect है और invert है. So we get the answer, that is image is inverted as well as erect. Enlarged. Ma'am. So we have learned the phenomena of reflection of light at curved surface, right? We have learned it, and we have to apply this in our daily life. And what is our next topic? That is making of solar cooker. How we will make solar cooker? Let us see. You might have learned the story of Archimedes burning ship using mirror. Archimedes story पता है? Don't know? Let me make you easy. Archimedes, it is the Roman attack Greeks to occupy the place. Romans, the Roman के country के जो लोग थे, वो ग्रीक के ऊपर अटैक करे थे. क्यों? क्योंकि ग्रीक को ऑक्यूपाई करना था उन लोगों को. जब वार्स चलते थे ना, तो they attack to Greek to want to occupy their place. So at that time, Archimedes, who is the Greek. So this is Archimedes, who is a Greek who want to save his country from the war which the Greek want to occupy, and they want to do war with them. So Archimedes saw that her empire is in danger. So he thought that to save his country, how will he save? So how to save my country? He thought. So then he thought that why can we destroy those ships which way the Greeks will come na. So Archimedes, who is Greek, he thought, why can we destroy the ships of the Romans by which they come over here? So here so he thought to destroy the ships. Then how should we have to destroy the ships? Then he thought. So to destroy the ships, Archimedes created a unique technique, a unique thinking. He thought, that is the technique is nothing but Archimedes heat ray. So he named that technique as his name only, that is Archimedes heat ray. So in this technique, what he did, he uses lots of mirror over here. He uses lots of mirror to create a parabolic shape. Parabolic shape, how it is the parabolic shape? Like this. ठीक है, the parabolic which has deep inside. So he used mirror, lots of mirror to create a parabolic shape, and to reflect the focus of light from the sun, to reflect the focus of the light, and he uses to reflect it back to the ship, and which get heated up. These ships get heated up by the sun rays, reflected of the sun rays, and it will get burned. By this technique, Archimedes destroyed the ships, and he avoided the war towards the Romans, and by this he saved his country. So this technique is nothing but Archimedes heat technique. So we have used this technique by he used this technique by using this technique. He burned the ships. So we have already learned a concave mirror focuses parallel to the sun, right? Concave mirror focuses parallel to the sun rays at the focal point, right? Over here, focal point, he reflected parallel in different directions. So with a small concave mirror, we have to heat up and burn paper. How it is possible? We have to take a concave mirror, and we know that the reflected ray will be parallel, which will the reflected ray is in different direction and parallel to the focal length. So all the reflected ray will meet at a point, that is focal length, right? So we have to place a paper over that point to do this experiment. After placing a paper over that point, what we will observe, that the reflected rays are heating up this paper and the paper will burn. So by this we have to use this Archimedes technique over here in small size. Okay. So we have done this Archimedes experiment in small paper. So we have to do in big paper. So in the place, the same way, make a big mirror, concave mirror, to heat up a vessel. So हम उसके जैसा सेम बड़ा big mirror लेना चाहिए, concave mirror. On heat, we have to heat the vessel. What is vessel here? Vessel is nothing but utensil which we use in kitchens, right? So we might have to observe the TV dishes. The TV dishes is like same concave mirror, right? उनका shape कैसा concave mirror की तरह रहता. तो हमको बड़ा क्वांटिटी में करना है, तो बड़ा क्वांटिटी में करना है, तो टीवी डिशेस हमारा अच्छा एग्जांपल है. तो वी हैव टू टेक अ टीवी डिश, राइट? मेक अ वुडन और आयरन फ्रेम इन द शेप ऑफ द टीवी डिश. तो वुडन लकड़ी का या फिर आयरन का एक फ्रेम बनाना टीवी डिश के शेप में. ठीक है. आफ्टर डूइंग दैट, कट acrylic mirror sheets into 8 to 12 pieces in the shape of isosceles triangle with a height of equal to the radius of your dish antenna. After baking frame, what you have to do? acrylic mirror मतलब शाइनिंग पेपर्स रहते ना, आप लोग देखे होंगे वो किसमें यूज़ एंड थ्रो प्लेट्स पे ऐसे शाइनिंग पेपर्स रहते हैं. उस पर क्या होता है? रिफ्लेक्ट जल्दी होता है, लाइट रिफ्लेक्ट वेरी क्विकली. सो वी हैव टू यूज़ दैट acrylic mirror sheets, and we have to cut it into 8 to 12 pieces. How? Like this shape we have to cut. This shape is nothing but isosceles triangle, and in the height should be equal to the big antenna frame which we prepared, right? So this वो sheets को हम लोग isosceles triangle में cut करना, और we have to arrange that these papers over here, the frame which we used in wooden or iron, right? So the bases of the 8 to 12 triangles together make the circumference of the dish. Stick the triangle mirror to the dish. As you can see here, these pieces of isosceles triangle we have to place at the frame which we used in place of concave mirror. We used the antenna, right? So we have to place like this. The pieces we have to place, and we have to place पूरा कम्प्लीटली हम लोग को ऐसा पेस्ट करना चाहिए. पेस्ट करके क्या करना? दिस उसको एंटेने के ऊपर रख देना. ये जो हम लोग फ्रेम बनाते हैं उसको एंटेने के ऊपर फिक्स करके वहाँ पे छत पे रख देना. छत पे एंटेने रहते ना, ऑल यू हैव ऑब्जर्व. वो भी एंटेना कैसा, ऐसा डायरेक्ट सनलाइट को एक्सपोज हुए जैसा रहता है. ठीक है, ऐसा रहता है, डायरेक्ट सनलाइट उसके ऊपर पड़े जैसा एंटेना रहता है. तो एंटेना के ऊपर ये फ्रेम को रख देना. तो यहाँ से सनराइज विल fall on this antenna, right, and it will reflected back in one point, that is to the focal point. So ये point के ऊपर हम vessel रखना चाहिए. Vessel क्या है इधर? Utensils. So to cook we are using solar making a solar cooker, right? So we have to use the cooker or the vessel and we have to place over here. After reflecting, this cooker will get heat up by the rays of sun. ठीक है, द सन रेज की वजह से ये हीट अप हो जाता और ये क्या हो जाता, इसके अंदर जो भी खाना वगैरह कुछ भी रहता था वो पक जाता. सो बाय दिस वी कैन मेक अ सोलर कुकर बाय हीटिंग अप द राइस और द वेजिटेबल्स विच इज इनसाइड द वेसल विल गेट हीटन अप, राइट. सो your solar heater or solar cooker is ready by this process. ठीक है, arrange it so that the concave part focus sunlight. Find its focal point and place a vessel at the point. The vessel get heated up enough to cook rice, as you can see over here, over in this diagram. The vessel get heated up and the rice is cooked. So we have to arrange in such manner, and this is our parabolic shape, right, which is very deep inside. It is quite different to the concave mirror. Concave mirror ऐसे ही रहता है, लेकिन parabolic quite deep रहता है यहाँ पे inside. ठीक है, in practical application like a car headlights, concave mirrors or of parabolic shape. आपको प्रैक्टिकल यूजेस बोले तो कि पैराबोलिक का कार में हेडलाइट्स देखिए, आप कभी गौर करें हेडलाइट्स को, वो कैसा पैराबोलिक शेप ही रहते हैं, सामने हेडलाइट्स रहते हैं राइट कार के, वो हेडलाइट्स क्या है कॉनकेव मिरर के जैसे एक्ट करते हैं, वो पैराबोलिक शेप में रहते हैं. ठीक है, बाय दिस वी हैव कंप्लीटेड आवर टॉपिक, दैट इज सोलर, मेकिंग सोलर कुकर, एंड बाय दिस वी हैव कंप्लीटेड आवर चैप्टर. So my dear students, your today's homework was draw a diagram of this figure 223, that is it's showing that the Archimedes experiments. So draw this diagram figure 23 as well as draw this diagram also, that is figure 25. So figure 23 और 25 figure दो diagrams draw करो आपके homework में and submit in your groups. So okay, thank you students, have a nice day.